श्री माताजी, आपले इतके महान परमेश्वरी अवतरण हे ज्या कार्यासाठी म्हणून झालेले आहे त्याची मानव जातीला स्पष्ट कल्पना यावी व आम्हा सर्वांना या शुभ कार्यासाठी निमित्त करण्याची कृपा करावी। त्यासाठी जे जे परिवर्तन आणि कार्य आम्हा सर्वांच्यात घटित होण्याची आवश्यकता आहे ते आपल्या मातृप्रेमात आमच्यात घटित होऊन आम्हाला योग्य ती सिद्धता द्यावी, अशी आम्हा सर्वांची आपल्या पवित्र चरणी प्रार्थना नम्र होवो, रजू होवो व त्यासाठी आम्ही आपल्याला गंधाक्षत पुष्पे अर्पण करतो। ध्यान मंत्र। आता आपण श्री माताजींचे आपापल्या कुंडलिनीमध्ये ध्यान करूया। प्रत्येकाने आपापल्या सूत्रावरती आपापल्या कुंडलिनीचे 1-2 मिनिटं ध्यान करावे। Everybody to please meditate on their own kundalini for 2 minutes. ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। Now we will worship Shri Mataji on every chakra of our Kundalini. In the presence of Shri Mataji, we will offer the flowers for every chakra. Shri Mooladhara Chakra, Shri Ganesh, Shri Mataji आपल्या कृपेमध्ये श्री माताजी आपल्या कृपेमध्ये सर्व ब्रह्मांडातून पसरलेली श्री गणेशांची जी शक्ती जागृत आहे त्या जागृती सर्व जातीमध्ये आपल्या श्री गणेश शक्तीचे जागरण होवो, या सिद्धतेसाठी आम्ही आपल्या चरणी श्री गणपती अथर्वशीर्ष आत्ताच म्हटलेले आहे। श्री माताजी या प्रार्थनेने तसेच आपण व श्री गणेश शक्ती अत्यंत प्रसन्न होवो।
याच्यानंतर सर्वांनी 2 मिनिटं ध्यानात जाऊ आपल्या गणेश
आपल्या
मूलाधार चक्रावर।
everybody to meditate on Mooladhara Chakra for a minute.
Like that, after every mantra, you have to meditate on each chakra.
While I am reading, please pay attention to your respective chakras. कुंडलिनी, श्री गौरी देवी अर्थात श्री कुंडलिनी स्वरूप श्री माताजी, आपल्या चरणी आम्ही सर्वजण नमस्कार करतो. संपूर्ण त्रैलोक्यात तसेच सर्व ब्रह्मांडातून, सर्व प्राणीमात्रांतून, सर्व मनुष्य जातीतून, सर्व चराचरातून शक्तिसूत्र स्वरूपाने वावरणाऱ्या सर्व कुंडलिनी स्वरूप आदिशक्ती स्वरूपा आपल्या चरणी आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. आपल्या शक्तिसूत्र स्वरूप अनादी स्वरूपाला आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. आपल्या सर्व शक्ती स्वरूप शक्तींच्या प्रकाशनाला आमचे नमस्कार असो. मॅनिफेस्टेशन, शक्तीच्या मॅनिफेस्टेशनला नमस्कार. सर्व त्रैलोक्यातील पवित्रता व श्री परमेश्वरी शुद्ध इच्छा स्वरूप आपल्या पवित्र चरणी आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो.
सर्व मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. कुंडलिनीवरती 2 मिनिटं ध्यान करा.
Everybody to please meditate on their Kundalini, triangular bone. बरोबर. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, everybody will meditate on their Nabhi chakra. While I will recite the mantras for Nabhi chakra, all of you to please pay your attention and meditate on Nabhi chakra. श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण स्वरूप वैकुंठातल्या आदि धर्म स्वरूप आपल्या चरणांना नमस्कार असो. पृथ्वीवरचे सर्व धर्म निर्माण करणाऱ्या श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण स्वरूप आपल्या चरणांना नमस्कार असो. मानव जातीला परिवर्तनाच्या स्थितीमध्ये सिद्ध करणाऱ्या धर्मस्वरूप आपणास अनेक नमस्कार असो. सर्व दोष दूर करून परमेश्वराचा शुद्ध धर्म मानव शरीरात प्रकाशित करणाऱ्या आपल्या धर्मांना आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. सर्व योग्यांना ध्यानामध्ये आपल्या नैसर्गिक धर्मामुळे मिळणारी शांती व त्यामुळे होणारे ज्ञान व आनंद यासाठी आम्ही आपल्या चरणी नमस्कार करतो. शांताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिनिर्ध्यानगतं वन्दे विष्णुं भवहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं. श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. Now everybody to meditate on their Swadhisthana Chakra. श्री निर्गुण निराकारात ब्रह्मस्वरूपाने वावरणाऱ्या श्री सरस्वतीच्या शक्ती स्वरूपाला आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार असो. श्री कुंडलिनीच्या व श्री धर्माच्या कार्यशक्तीला फलित बनवण्याचे कार्य करणाऱ्या आपल्या ब्रह्मशक्तीला अनेक नमस्कार असो. वर्धपद्मासनस्थं पीतं वासो वसानं नवकमलदलस्पर्धिनेत्रं प्रसन्नं वामान्तारुरसीतामुखकमलमिलल्लोचनं नीरदावं नानालङ्कारयुक्तं दरदमुरजटामण्डनं रामचन्द्रं साक्षात् श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. श्री सिद्धकुंजदा स्तोत्रम. श्री शिवोवाच भो भवेत् न कवचं नार्गला स्तोत्रं किलकं न रहस्यकं न सूत्रं नाभिधानं च नन्यासो न च वाचनं कुञ्जिका पाठमात्रेण दुर्गा पाठफलं लभेत् अतिगुह्यतरं देवी देवानामपि दुर्लभम् गोपनीयं प्रयत्नेन स्वयो निर्व पार्वती मारणं मोहनं वशं स्तम्भनोच्चाटनादिकं पाठमात्रेण संसिद्ध्येत् कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रमुत्तमम्. ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विद्महे. ॐ ग्लौं हुं क्लीं जूं सः ज्वालय ज्वालय ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल. ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विद्महे. ज्वलहं सं लं क्षं फट् स्वाहा. नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिण्यै नमस्ते मधुमर्दिनी नमः कैटवहारिण्यै नमस्ते महिषालिनी नमस्ते शुम्भहन्त्रै च निशुम्भासुरघातिनी. जागृतं हि महादेवी जपं सिद्धिं कुरुष्व मे. ऐंकारी सृष्टिरूपायै ह्रींकारी प्रतिपालिका ह्रींकारी कामरूपिण्यै बीजरूपे नमोस्तुते. चामुण्डा चण्डघाती च यैंकारी वरदायिनी विद्येचा भयदा नित्यं नमस्ते मन्त्ररूपिणी. धाम धीं धूं पूजते पत्नी मां वीं भूं वागरीश्वरी. प्रां क्रीं क्रूं कालिका देवी शां शीं क्रूं मे शुभं कुरु. हुं हुं हुंकाररूपिण्यै जं 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 जम्भनादिनी. भ्रां ह्रीं क्रूं भैरवी भद्रे भवान्यै ते नमो नमः. अंकं चं तं तं पाण्यं शं शं ह्रीं क्रूं ऐं वीं हं क्षं विजाग्रं विजाग्रं. क्रोधय क्रोधय दिक्तं कुरु स्वाहा. पां पीं पूं पार्वती पूर्णा खां पीं पूं केसरी तथा. तां सीं सूं सप्तशतीं देव्यां मन्त्रसिद्धिं कुरुष्व मे. इदं तु कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रं मन्त्रजातवेतवे. अभक्तेनैव दातव्यं गोपितं रक्ष पार्वती यस्तु कुञ्चितया देवी हिनां सप्तशतीं करेत् तस्य जायते सिद्धिर्हरणे रोदनं तथा साक्षात् श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। Everybody is requested to please now meditate on their Vishuddhi Chakra. सर्व शक्तींचे खेळ लीला स्वरूपाने करणाऱ्या, जेणेकरून योग्य ते योग सहज प्रेमात घडतील व श्री परमेश्वराचे हित सांभाळले जाईल, अशा कौशल्यवान कार्य करणाऱ्या आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार असो. जळे स्थळे काष्टे पाषाणी निरनिराळ्या दिवशी निरनिराळ्या महिन्यांतून निरनिराळ्या देशांतून सर्व प्राणीमात्रांतून सर्व प्रकारच्या वनस्पतींतून फुला फळांतून सुगंधातून गोडीतून सर्व प्रकारच्या नैसर्गिक प्रेमातून सर्व प्रकारच्या तत्वांतून तसेच श्री परमेश्वराच्या निर्गुण निराकार तत्वांतून सूत्र स्वरूप शक्तीने वाहणाऱ्या आपल्या चैतन्य शक्ती अनेक नमस्कार असो. वरील सर्व जीवांच्या तत्वांच्या व अस्तित्वांच्या आदर्श माता व आदर्श पिता स्वरूप आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार असो. आपल्या ईश्वरी प्रेमाच्या विशेष आकर्षणात मानवालाच काय पण सर्व देवतांना सुद्धा गुंग करून अत्यंत आनंदाने शांत करणाऱ्या आपल्या सर्व शक्तींना नमस्कार असो. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. साक्षात् श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं त्रैलोक्येशं जगद्गुरुं शङ्खचक्रगदाबाहुं वनमाला विराजितं श्रीवत्साङ्कं जगद्धेतुं श्रीधरं श्रीपतिं हरिं योगाय योगपतये योगीशाय नमो नमः. श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. Everybody to please meditate on their Agya Chakra. श्री दयासागर, श्री क्षमासागर व श्री शांतीसागर स्वरूप आपल्या अनुकंपेच्या सागराला आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. सर्व दोषांचे क्षालन करणाऱ्या श्री प्रणव स्वरूप आपल्या ब्रह्मशक्तीस आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. शुद्ध ज्ञान व त्याची साक्षी स्वरूपाने येणाऱ्या शुद्ध अनुभूतीचा अनुभव देणाऱ्या आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार असो. परमेश्वरासाठी आपल्या प्रेमाची पराकाष्ठा वाहणाऱ्या श्री जिजस साहेबांच्या सर्व शक्तींना आपल्या चरणी नमस्कार असो. वरील सर्व शक्तींना ओळखून परमेश्वराची आत्मस्वरूपाने भक्ती करण्याचा निर्णय घेणाऱ्या सर्व सहयोगांना शक्ती देणाऱ्या श्री माताजी निर्मला देवी स्वरूप आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from all evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. ध्यायामितां महालक्ष्मीं कर्पूरक्षोरपाण्डुरां शुभवस्त्रपरिधानां निर्मुक्ताभरणभूषितां पङ्कजासनसंस्थानां स्मेरनां सरोरुहां शारदेन्दुकलां कान्तिं स्निग्धनेत्रां चतुर्भुजां पद्मयुग्माभयवर व्यग्रचारुकरां याम् अभितो गजयुग्मेन सिञ्चमानां कराम्बुजां. साक्षात् श्री माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. श्री बुद्ध व श्री महावीर स्वरूप विशेष महत् योग्यता धारण करणाऱ्या सर्व योग्यांच्या तत्वातून वाहणाऱ्या शुद्ध आदर्श स्वरूप आपल्या चरणांना अनेक नमस्कार असो. एकादश रुद्र स्वरूपातून असलेल्या शुद्ध व प्रेम स्वरूप हृदयांना आपल्या चरणी नमस्कार असो. Now we pay attention to our Suryanari. त्रैलोक्यातल्या श्री परमेश्वर स्वरूप शुद्ध कार्यशक्ती स्वरूप सूर्यनाडी आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार असो. Now we pay attention to our Chandranadi. त्रैलोक्यातल्या श्री प्रेमस्वरूप शुद्ध इच्छा व शुद्ध प्रेमस्वरूप शीतलतेला अर्थात चंद्रनाडीला भक्ती स्वरूप आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार असो. नवग्रहांच्या शांतीसाठी आम्ही नवग्रहांच्या शांतीसाठी एक स्तुतित्र 10-12 श्लोक आहेत तेवढे म्हणून मग आपण सहस्रारावरती ध्यान करूया. जपा कुसुमसंकाशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरं दविशङ्खतुषाराभं शिरोदार्णवसम्भवं नमामि शशिनं सोमं शम्भो मरुत्पुरभूषणं धरणीगर्भसम्भूतं विद्युत्कान्तिसमप्रभं कुमारं शक्तिभक्तं च मङ्गलं प्रणम्यामहम्
देवानां
प्रियङ्गुलिङ्कालिकाश्यं रूपेण प्रतिमं बुधं साम्यं सौम्यगुणोपेतं तं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहम् देवानां च ऋषीणां च गुरुं काञ्चन सन्निभं बुद्धिभूतं त्रिलोकेशं तं नमामि बृहस्पतिं हिमकुन्दपूर्णालाभं दैत्यानां परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रप्रवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम् नीलाञ्जनसमाभासं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजं छायामार्तण्डसम्भूतं तं नमामि शनैश्वरम् अर्धकायं महावीर्यं चन्द्रादित्यविमर्दनं चिन्तितागर्भसम्भूतं तं राहुं प्रणमाम्यहम् पलाशपुष्पसङ्काशं तारकाग्रहमस्तकं रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं घोरं तं केतुं प्रणमाम्यहम् इति व्यासम्मोद्गीतं यः पठेत् सुसमाहितं द्वारात्रौ विघ्नशान्तिर्भविष्यति नरनारीनृपाणां च भवेत् दुःस्वप्ननाशनम् ऐश्वर्यमतुलं तेषाम् आरोग्यपुष्टिवर्धनम् ग्रहनक्षत्रजातीला तत्तराग्निसमुद्भवा तां सर्वां प्रथमं यान्ति व्यासो भूतेन संशयः साक्षात् श्रीमाताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। Everybody to please meditate on their Sahasrara days. आज्ञाचक्र ओलांडल्यानंतर श्री माताजी आपल्या कृपेत कुंडलिनी सहस्रारात येऊन सहस्रारातून सर्वव्यापी शक्तीशी जोडलेले राहणे म्हणजे योग घडणे, ही स्थिती आपल्याच आशीर्वादाची व आपल्या योगेश्वर स्वरूपाची प्रचिती दिल्याबद्दल आपल्या चरणी आमचे सर्वांचे अनेकानेक नमस्कार होते. निर्विचारिता व त्यामुळे जाणवणारी खरी शांती, ही अनुभूती श्री माताजी आपल्या कृपेची व शक्तीची, त्यासाठी आपल्या चरणी अनेकानेक नमस्कार होतो. श्री माताजी आपले सर्वव्यापी ब्रह्मस्वरूप निर्विचारिते जाणवणे, ही निर्गुण साधनेची श्री गणेश स्वरूप सुरुवात आम्हा सर्व सहयोग्यांना झाल्याबद्दल आपल्या चरणी आमचे अनेक नमस्कार रुजू हो. सर्व योग शास्त्रातून स्पष्ट वर्णन केलेले असे हे सर्वव्यापी परमेश्वराचे तत्व, जे थंड थंड व्हायब्रेशनच्या स्वरूपाने सहजयोगांना जाणवते, त्या अनादि निर्गुण श्री सदाशिवांच्या स्पष्ट व शुद्ध जाणीवेस आपल्या चरणी अनेक नमस्कार रुजू हो. जरी वरील शुद्ध व निर्मल जाणीवा सहजयोगांना आपल्या अनंत कृपेत होत आहेत, झाल्या आहेत व होणार आहेत, त्या जाणीवांतून असलेल्या शुद्ध माया स्वरूप आपल्या कृपेच्या मातृस्वरूपाला आमच्या सर्वांचे शिरसा वंदन हो. निर्विचार ते नंतरच्या अनुभवांना सिद्ध करून निर्विकल्पता सहयोगांच्या सिद्ध करणाऱ्या आपल्या सर्व शक्तींना नमस्कार. परमेश्वराच्या सहस्रारातल्या 1000 कोटी शक्तींना जागृत करणाऱ्या सर्व वैयक्तिक व सामुदायिक शक्ती स्वरूप आपल्याला आमचे सर्वांचे अनेकानेक नमस्कार असो व आम्ही आपल्या चरणी नेहमी शरण असावे ही प्रार्थना रुजू करून घेऊ. पृथ्वी तलावर सर्व मानवजातीला परमेश्वरी प्रेमाची जागृती व ज्ञान देणाऱ्या आपल्या अनंत कोटी शक्तींना नमस्कार असो. सर्व ऋषीमुनी, देवदेवता, यक्ष, गण, तारे, ग्रहगोल, नक्षत्रे, सर्व प्रकारच्या साधना, निसर्ग, पंचमहातत्वे या सर्वांतून व इतर सर्वांतून वाहणाऱ्या आपल्या कृपेला व परमेश्वराच्या शुद्ध इच्छेला फलद्रूप करणाऱ्या आपल्या शुद्ध शक्तीला आमचे सर्वांचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. सर्व सहयोगांच्या कुंडलिनीतून तसेच हृदयातून तसेच त्यांच्या कार्यांतून शुद्ध स्वरूपाने राहणाऱ्या व वाहणाऱ्या आपल्या सर्व शक्तींना आमचे नमस्कार असो. जगातल्या सर्व सहयोगांच्या सर्व संघ शक्तीतून कार्यान्वित असणाऱ्या आपल्या प्रेमाच्या सर्व संघ शक्तींना आमचे अनेक नमस्कार असो. आपल्या कृपेत यथा योग्यम तथा तो या आमच्या प्रार्थनेस रुजू करून घेण्याची प्रार्थना. हरि ओम. हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं स्वररजस्रां चंद्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो तां जातवेदो जातवेदो लक्ष्मीं मनपकामनिं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं कामश्वं पुरुषान्महम् अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिना प्रबोधिनीं श्रियं लोके उपवये श्रीमादेवी दूषरां काशोस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारां आर्द्रां ज्वलन्तीं सुप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहो पौवे श्रियं चन्द्रां प्रभातां यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवदुष्टां उदारं तां पद्मिनीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नशतां त्वां वृणे. ओदिजातो वनस्पतिर्वृक्षोऽतबिल्वात् तस्य फलानि तपसानन्दं मायान्तरायाश्च बाह्या लक्ष्मी उपैतुमां देवसखाश्च कीर्तिश्च मणिनाथः प्रादुर्भूतो सुराष्ट्रेऽस्मिन् कीर्तिं मुदिं ददातु मे. क्षुत्पिपासामलां ज्येष्ठाम् अलक्ष्मीं नाशयाम्यहम् अभूमसमृद्धिं च सर्वान् निर्नुद मे गृहात्. गन्धद्वारां दुरादर्शां नित्यपुष्टां करीषिणीं ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां भूतानां कामिहोपवेक्ष्यम् मनसत्कामाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहि पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रेतां यदा तदमेन प्रजा भूतां मयि सम्भवकर्मः श्रियं वा श्रियं वा कुलमातरं पद्ममालिनी आपस्रजन्तु सिद्धानि चित्रीतवसमे निचदेवीं मातरं श्रियं वा श्रिये आर्द्रायं करिणीं यष्टिं सुवर्णां हेममालिनीं सूर्याहिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो माव आर्द्रा पुष्करणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो माव तां जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमपदामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रभूतं गावो दास्यो स्वां विद्येयं पुरुषामहम्। ॐ तमेव देवी नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुण्डलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
Yesterday I told you about the physical side. Is how to physically achieve the balance by doing all these movements and all that, and then also raising your kundalini like that, and how to put certain chakras in places, like first of all the Muladhara, which is very important. Muladhara chakra. For that the exercise, as I told you, has to be with both the feet. Can we try that again? To put both the feet together and try to pull it towards yourself. No, with this hand, holding it. Yes, towards yourself, and push the thing down. Yes. Now, the other way round you can do it is to push it downward and pull. Yes, with the hands to push it down. Yes, now push it up. The heels you. Yes, now push it towards yourself. Again. Now put it down on the sides. It is stiff, I must say. All right, again. Now I'll tell you you may try another thing for this, is to put your one foot across and one foot like this. Let's see. Push it. Now it's better that way. Now push it up.
Push.
Is this one upward? Just push it how much you can. Push that down. Yes. Push one down and one push up. It's better. Now the other one you do the same way. Push that down at the same time. Now push that up. With one hand you can push that up, one hand you can push that down. It would be better idea. Now like this. Just try. Hold it from the sides. Hold it from the sides, like he's holding. No, that put it around your hand. Yes. Now hold it, this foot, with the left hand. It doesn't go that side. Like the way he's sitting. All right, it's all right. Now push it down. This one and push that up. Push that up and push this down. Now the other one you try. Again. Can you? No. That one down now. Which one was? Yes, correct. Now. This is the other way, Just push that one down as much as you can. Push this up. Now you will see it will little bit open out. Now see yourself. Is it opening out? Now put it down again. See. Is it better now for sitting? Better. Now see now. Is it better? Slightly. It's better now.
Let's strain here.
Right. Yeah. You see, gradually it will work out. Gradually it will work out for you people. Because you are not used to it, so at this age also it's rather difficult. But it will work out gradually. That you sit like that. From now, if she sits like this, you see, from the very childhood, then she can never sit like this.
Shine?
Can you sit like that? Let's see. If you can sit.
So be like cross, meditating.
Good. You can do it. You are good. Excellent. She's good. That's better.
They're very supple, mother.
That's supple. But you see, that's how you grow. And then when you give up this habit, once you start sitting on a chair, you give up the habit, and then the chair becomes, you see.
The way she was sitting, I cannot sit. The way she was sitting, it's a bit like that, and she sits right down on the floor.
Yes.
And she has her legs up there. It's just, it really strains the back of the legs.
Children are very supple. Now, then, you see, this is one thing I told you, how to improve your Muladhara yesterday. Alright? Now, the second thing was about the Swadhisthana. You have to hold both the legs together like this. Try to push it together. No, push it like that. Hold the hands and just turn. Just try to take out the feet up. He's tall. Now it's all right. Now you turn on the bottom like this. The tall people are difficult.
I get too much light.
Yes. Now see, that's how. Now you'll see your Swadhisthana will improve. Just move. See. Now let us see. Now put your hands towards me. Let's see. See. It improves. Swadhisthana improves. Whatever you do, it should please me is one of the ways. It should please me. That's one of the signs. So how do we do it? Put me in your heart. Just try to put me in your heart. It's very simple. I am before you now. I am in person. I was trying to give realization to one of my relations this day. And I said that you don't close your eyes. He said, no, I'm not looking at your face. But when I see you, I feel you are my aunt. But I'm just looking at your feet so that I shouldn't feel anymore that you are my aunt. You are very great. And your face is the one that puts me into illusions. He could see, it's a Mahamaya. He said, only at your feet I look. And through your feet only, I can get over this barrier, this feeling. In the same way, when I am a Mahamaya, I know I am, I had to be. But you have to put my feet into your heart. Just my feet into your heart. Because photo, face, everything might be an illusion. Might be by seeing my face, you do not get over your barriers. To say, I must see Mother, I must do this, Mother must come to my house, she must have food at my place, she must visit my home. All this is so stupid, I cannot understand what's the matter with this thing. Mother, please come in my heart. Let me clean my heart so that you are there. Put your feet into my heart. Let your feet be worshipped in my heart. Let me not be in delusion. Take me away from illusions. Keep me in reality. Take away the sheen of superficiality. Let me enjoy your feet in my heart. Let me see your feet in my heart. Only such people. Even Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha have done that. Don't you think you have to do it? So humble down yourself. Humble down yourself in your heart. Humble down in your heart. Enjoy your humility. Enjoy your virtues. The greatest virtue of a Sahaja-yogi is humility. Now, so many things you have seen convince you. But in no way it can mean any kind of subjection. Because what subjection you can give me? Think of that. When every subjection is a blessing, what subjection you are giving? Every feeling in the heart is a blessing. Just now you feel it and you feel the joy in your heart. Then what is your subjection about what? I can understand people who are just newly calm or good for nothing, but you are not on the periphery. But some of them do go into periphery in no time. You give them some work, finished. If I am sweet to someone, finished. If I see someone, finished. I mean, this is too much. I can't even be nice to you. If you do any mistakes or anything, then you feel, then you get your left to see. You've done your mistake, all right, finished. You love me. Maybe there's something wrong in the love, or maybe something has happened, doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to be cautious. I'm not going to make any mistakes. How could I do this mistake? Because I was not fully in love. If I had loved something, I would have not done such a mistake. Alright, so develop your love. No, you will do. I feel guilty because I've done such a mistake. So you miss this and that. So your mistake becomes a barrier again. Don't feel guilty about it. We have to progress further. Forget the past. Forget the past. Forget the past. We have to go further. We have to be serious people. When we talk, we should talk with that dignity of that awe. That's very important. And once you develop that awe, your Ekadasha will disappear. Ekadasha will disappear. Just think of the awe. See the silence and the joy and the joy of the awe is deep, very deep, like a sea. Sea on superficial level is very turbulent, but inside is silent. Feel that depth. Without awe, you cannot go down. I think let us meditate for about 10 minutes. Would be a good idea.
So, Srimati suggests now that we meditate together for about 10 minutes.
Keep your eyes open. I am sitting here. Where are you going to meditate? Meditate on me. Keep your eyes open. Just keep your eyes open. Now all the children should put their hands like this. Alright? And watch me. Lift your tongue and put them back as much as possible. Turn it back. Let it feel the bliss of the divine on its tip. Now put your chin down, touching your... Don't close your eyes. In complete surrender. Put the chin. Riva. But don't close your eyes. Pay attention to your Sahasrara. Loosen your hands fully on the side. Make them loose. Sit straight. Do not touch the palate. Got to that. Now breathe in. Do not push back the tongue. Keep the tongue where it is. Breathe in. Now raise your stomach without taking out the breath upward, pushing the air upward towards the lungs. Push your stomach in. Attention on the Sahasrara. You start seeing light through Sahasrara. Short of the Sahasrara becomes like eyes. Now leave it. Leave it now. Raise your. Now put back your heads. Put the fingers. Put the attention to your Sahasrara, that's all. Don't say anything, no mantras. Take out your tongue. Push it back. Take in your breath. Push the stomach. That's good. Now watch me continuously without blinking, without any pressure on the eye. Attention on the Sahasrara. You can do it without blinking. He got this. This is it. Physically, we have worked out our attention and on our Vishuddhi and on our Agya.
Ainsi, nous pouvons physiquement aider la façon de notre attention au niveau du Vishuddhi et de l'Agya.
The left Vishuddhi is still there.
Il y a encore du Vishuddhi gauche.
Now put your head more on the right side. Loose, like this.
Ensuite, sur la droite.
With the attention on the Sahasrara, looking at me. Put it loose.
Détendu.
Hand to be loose.
Les mains aussi détendues.
Loosen it. Now better. You feel the Kundalini rising? Let us put ourselves into bandhan. After raising our Kundalini. Raise. Attention on your Sahasrara. Don't close your eyes. Push back your head. 1. Again. Sit straight. Take it up on your head. 2. 3. Now a bandhan. 1, 2. Do it properly, systematically. 3. All of us should do properly. 4. 5. Try to wait as I'm doing. 6. 7. Still not, we have not done it properly. We all should do in one rhythm. Let's do it again. 1. Slowly. 2. With attention on the Sahasrara. 3. How do I do it? 4. 5. Good. 6. Attention on Sahasrara. 7. 8. Rising. Let's have the last binding. Ha! Now see. Clear? Tremendous. We got this. Say, we have got prana and mana. Now prana represents the right side and the mana shakti is the left side. Alright? These two have to be dissolved. Laya means dissolve. Now how do we do it? To dissolve these two things. They are connected with each other. After realization, not so before meditation, we give ourselves a balance. Alright? Which side is more, which side is less. At the time, supposing you are emotionally that time disturbed, then you put your right to the left. If you are that time disturbed on the left side. Disturbed in the sense that if your left side is frozen, then you raise your left side and give yourself a balance before meditation. Now, let us see which side is less. First of all, put your hands like this. Are you alright? Getting cool breeze? Getting it? And this hand not. Alright. Better? Are you getting in this hand? No? Something moving? Cool breeze is coming now. Is there cool breeze? Is it? There is cool breeze in your hand? Are you feeling it? Alright. So, once you have given yourself a balance, then the best thing is to pay attention to your emotions, to Manasya. Watch them. You can enlighten your emotions by thinking of your mother, right? Just enlighten them. Just she will solve the problem. Whatever are the problems in the mana, alright? So once you get connected with those emotions and you start looking at them in your meditation, you will see these emotions are rising within you, and if you try to put these emotions on your mother, as they said, the lotus feet of your mother, they will start also dissolving those emotions and they'll become sort of expands. You will extend that in such a way that you will feel you are in control of these emotions. You are in control of them, and by that controlling those emotions, your emotions which are expanded, enlightened, are powerful. And these emotions, when you feel that way, then the cause of those emotions can be solved. For example, just now, you got emotionally stirred up because I talked about, say, these children. Naturally, anybody would be. Now, when you are stirred up with that, you put that problem of those feelings that are rising in you, that those waves of feelings that are coming at the lotus feet of your mother. So they get touched, say, by that power, you can say. Then these emotions become enlightened. And when these emotions become enlightened, they have a power to solve the problem. Do you see the point? As if they have reached the shore where they got the light and this problem can be solved. Because now you are not in an individual self. You are in the expanse. You are in the samashti. And because you have entered into that position, that's why you have got these powers of entering into another person's body, to see the vibrations of another person, to raise the kundalini. Otherwise, you could not have done. So for you it is very easy to do it, because I am also sitting here in person. So easy to put these emotions just there so that they get enlightened and your wish is fulfilled. Because emotions are nothing but wishes. These are unfulfilled wishes. Now, how they do it otherwise is also this way, that you take up these emotions and put them. So that is, these emotions are actually the left side, as I said, is the desire. So the desire is taken, any desire, and is put in the prana. Now how do you put it on the prana? that you control your prana. That's why they do pranayamas. See? Like you sit down now very comfortably. Now you have a desire to put your attention to that. Attention is very important. See? Now this attention is to be put onto the prana. So the emotions are there, and then bring those emotions and put them into your attention. Means they are now, you are aware of them. Now what you do is to watch your breathing. See now. Try to reduce your breathing. Reduce it. In the sense that you have breathed out, wait for a while, then breathe in. For a long time. Then you breathe out. So in 1 minute, your breathing will be less than normal. Alright? Try that. Breathe in. Now with the emotions. Keep the attention on the emotions, you see, so that the connection is established. Better? See the Kundalini rises? Now when you are breathing, you find that there is a space in between, which you just leave it vacant. Breathe in. Now leave it vacant. Now breathe out. Now leave it vacant. Breathe in. Keep it there. Then leave it. Keep outside. Now breathe in. Now start breathing in such a way that you stop your breathing. But attention should be on the heart or could be on the emotions. It's better. Keep the breathing inside for a while. Bring it out, then outside for a while. Then again. Then you'll find that for a while you will not breathe. See, you settle down. The laya takes place between your prana and your mana. Both the Shaktis become one. Now, at this stage when you are silent, now you think of your intellect. It's lost. Just think of it. It's lost. It's no more there. So what is happening actually that this laya, the attention goes into the intellect and enlightens the intellect. See, the thought is not there. Try to find your intellect within yourself. Now see, where is my intellect? Try to find it. It's not there. It's not working. Again try it. It is working, but it has become the samashti. It's become the collective now. See now? Did you follow that? There's no thought. This exercise will give you this thoughtless awareness, establishment of thoughtless awareness. There is no thought. So the second lesson. Alright?
Is the day when we have to introspect. So should we go into meditation, all of us? Please close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Now we all will do the meditation the way we have been doing in the halls wherever we have public programs. So the first you have to put your hand on your heart. We'll work on the left hand side and the left hand towards me. Now, first of all, you put your hand on your heart. In the heart resides here, is the spirit. So you have to thank your spirit that it has brought light to your attention, because you are a saint and the light that has come in your heart has to enlighten the whole world. So please, now in your heart, you pray that let this light of my love of the divine spread to the whole world. With all sincerity and understanding that you are connected with the divine and whatever you desire will happen. With full confidence in yourself. Now put your right hand in the upper part of your abdomen on the left hand side, on the upper part of your stomach on the left hand side, and now here is the center of your dharma. Here you have to pray that let Vishwa Nirmal Dharma spread in the whole world. Let people see the light through our dharmic life, through our righteousness. Let people see them and accept the Vishwa Nirmal Dharma, by which they get enlightenment and a benevolent higher life and a desire to ascend. Now, take your right hand in the lower portion of your abdomen, of the stomach, on the left hand side. Press it. Now this is the center of pure knowledge. Here, you have to say as Sir Yogis that our mother has given us the full idea how the divine works. She has given us all the mantras and all the pure knowledge that we could bear and understand. Let me fully be knowledgeable about that. All of us. I have seen if the man is a leader, the wife doesn't know a word about Sahaja Yoga. If the woman knows about Sahaja Yoga, the husband doesn't know anything about it. Let me be proficient and an expert in this knowledge. So that I can give realization to people, make them understand what is divine law, what is Kundalini, and what are the chakras. Let my attention be more on Sahaja Yoga than all these mundane things. Now put your right hand in the upper part of your abdomen. Close your eyes. Now here, on the left hand side, press it. Now here, Mother has given me the spirit and I have my own Guru, which is the spirit. I am master of my own. Let there be no abandonment. Let there be dignity in my character. Let there be generosity in my behavior. Let there be compassion and love for other servants. Let me not show off, but have a deep knowledge about God's love and His doings. So that when people come to me, I should be able to tell them about Sahaja Yoga and give them this great knowledge with humility and love. Now raise your right hand on your heart. Here you have to thank God that you have felt the ocean of joy and you have felt the ocean of forgiveness. And the capacity to forgive as our mother has, which we have seen is so tremendous. Let my heart expand and encompass the whole universe. And my love should resound the name of God. The heart every moment should express the beauty of God's love. Take your now right hand in the Vishuddhi, that is on the left Vishuddhi, between the neck and the shoulder in the corner. I will not indulge into the falsehood of guilt, because I know it is falsehood. I will not escape my faults, but face them and eradicate them. I will not try to find faults with others, but in my own knowledge of Sahaja Yoga, let me remove their faults. We have so many ways secretly we can remove the faults of others. Let my collectivity become so great that the whole Sahaja Yoga race is my own family, my own children, my home, my everything. Let me get that feeling completely, innately built within myself that I am a part and parcel of the whole, because we all have one mother. And let my concern go to the whole world to know what are their problems and how can, through my true desire, power, solve that. Let me feel the problems of the world in my heart and innately to remove all of them from the basis of which they are, from the basis from which they are generated. Let me go to the principles of all these problems and try to remove them through my Sahaja Yoga powers, through my saintly powers. Now put your right hand on your forehead across. Now here, you have to say, first of all, I have to forgive all those who have not come in Sahaja Yoga. Those who are on the periphery, who come and go, who jump in and jump out. But, first of all and foremost, I have to forgive all the Sahaja Yogis, because they are all better than me. I'm the one who tries to find faults with them, but I am at the lowest ebb, and I have to forgive them because I must know that I still have to go very further. I'm still much less. I have to improve myself. This humility has to come within us. So you have to say here, let the humility in my heart, in a true sense, not hypocritical, work out this feeling of forgiveness so that I bow to reality, to God, and to Sahaja. Now you have to put back your hand on the back side of your head and push back your head here. And you have to say here, oh Mother, whatever wrong we have done to you so far, and whatever wrong goes in our minds, and whatever smallness we have shown to you, whatever way we have troubled you and challenged you, please forgive us. You have to ask for forgiveness. In your intelligence, you should know what I am. I don't have to tell you again and again. Not at Sanstara, you have to thank me. At Sanstara, put your hand, move it 7 times, and thank me 7 times. Mother, thank you very much for the realization. And Mother, thank you very much for making us understand how great we are. And thank you very much for bringing all the blessings of the divine. And thank you very much for raising us higher, much higher than from where we were. And also thank you very much for sustaining us and for helping us to improve ourselves and correct ourselves. And thank you very much ultimately that Mother, you have come on this earth, taken your birth and working so hard for us, for all of us. Bless it hard and move it hard. Now take down your hands. Heads are all very hot. So now let us give ourselves a nice bandhan. In the bandhan of Mother, let us move our left to the right. 1, nicely. Understanding what you are, what are your auras. Now again, second one. Now the third one. Now the fourth one. Now the fifth. Now the sixth one. And now the seventh. Beautiful. I am getting vibrations from you. May God bless. Thank you very much.